Um, Over the years, I get lots of questions, particularly from people who run design teams, design organizations. And one of the questions that comes up a lot is how do I help my team or help the company understand that this team, the design team, is crucial to the business, that it's really foundational. How do I help change what people think about and how they believe design is inside the company? And so uh, there are three things that I see within teams that are doing this well, and what those leaders are doing. Um, and those three things are that the first thing is that they are adaptive. Um, Running teams and organizations inside companies, it means there's lots of context at play. There's changing markets, products. There's all sorts of different politics and power dynamics. And one of the things that I see of design teams who are considered crucial is that they are intentionally adaptive. They have lots of process and best practices under their belt, but they are willing to alter them or throw them out the door when necessary. So that's one. That's the one thing I see. The second thing that I see is they think about positioning. Um, Positioning from the marketing sense is how do you change the perceived value that a customer has in a brand? That's what I'm talking about here. And in this case, leaders at these teams, what they're kind of consistently looking at is how they talk about their team as being some type of differentiated value compared to other teams. Not in competition, it's just to sort of say that the skills that we have on our team are needed and necessary here at this company because we do things different than, say, product management or marketing. This is just how we help you fill these gaps, address these concerns, in a way that is different than other functions. Um, and the last thing that I would say is they are sort of consistently calculating uh, where they should adapt with whom and what their positioning is, not on a day by day basis, but think of it more as like this quarterly annual cycle where they are saying, okay, we've made some bets. These are where we think we should focus and prioritize. And then on this sort of cadence, they're going, do we need to alter our plan? Do we need to recalculate or change where we're going because on what we've seen in the last bit of time? And so those are the three things that I see within teams and organizations that have really been considered crucial, integral parts of the business is that their leaders are really thinking more about their functional unit in these three ways.